everyone. Today we're going to install and set up our Richmond Tweed Regional Library app on your Android device. Before we begin, you'll need the following: your device connected to the Wi-Fi, your Richmond Tweed Regional Library membership card so we can enter your membership or barcode number, your library PIN number, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number, and access to your Google Play Store account which has been set up. We'll begin today by clicking on the Play Store icon on the front screen here with the blue triangle. Once we've opened up the Google Play Store app, we can now click in the search field and search for Richmond Tweed. Now you'll notice on the predictive text that comes up below, Richmond Tweed Library app has come up. We can select that from the list. From here we can select Richmond Tweed Regional Library, which is the first icon that came up. And then we can click the install button. Richmond Tweed Regional Library is a free app. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a minute or two to download. Once it's downloaded, we can click on the open button. Now that the library app has opened, we need to sign in. To do this, we need to click on what's called the hamburger in the top right hand corner of your screen. The hamburger is represented by 3 lines. This usually indicates there's a menu underneath. So we click on that. We have the option to change the language if we like. English is fine for me, and then we'll click sign in. We have 2 different ways of signing in here. The first one is to scan the barcode. So we'll click on scan barcode. This will access the camera on your device. We place our barcode with the red line running through the barcode to be able to scan it. Now if you've got a membership card, your membership number will always be starting with a 2. However, for this purpose, I'm going to use an online membership which has a C. And then we need to enter in our PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. And then we need to click login. Okay, you should now be logged in. Now you can check this by clicking again on the hamburger in the top right hand corner. And you'll be able to see that you've got different preferences here now. So from here, you can look at your checkouts, reservations, anything, linked accounts if you've got children. And otherwise you can start searching on the app. So you should now be ready to use the Richmond Tweed Regional Library app. If you have any problems with installing and using this app, please contact your local library for over the phone support. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this video.